It is LC coming at you with another video. Today I have something pretty colorful to share with you, and that is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. That is a mouthful, but this thing is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys all the colors inside of here. It is just beautiful, beautiful palette. I have never tried anything from BH Cosmetics before, so I'm excited to try my first thing, see if I like it. I know Raw Beauty Christy raves about them, so we'll see. But first, I feel like we could set the scene a little bit. Let's fix something here. How about, I'll change my clothes. Let's change my shirt, okay? Okay. Is this better? I've got my Brazil, oh yeah. And no, I did not buy this just for the video. My husband is actually Brazilian. So, just even more reason for me to buy this. In case you didn't already catch on, I'm going to do a Brazilian themed look with this. So that's what we're doing today. Hope you like it. All right, so let's talk a little bit about this palette. First of all, the packaging is honestly amazing. It's gorgeous. The artwork that has gone into this is just flawless. You've got on the back of the little sleeve, you've got a picture of all the colors inside and just information about the palette, ingredients, all of that stuff. Then when you slide off that sleeve, you've got the same image on the front of the actual palette. Then when you open it up, you have all these gorgeous, beautiful colors, guys. I cannot even get over it. The pan sizes are a little bit smaller than I was expecting. Not gonna lie, they are a lot smaller, but it's okay. The colors are still beautiful. They're rich, they're neon, vibrant, wonderful. I honestly cannot stop looking at it. It's just got everything that is just exactly what I needed. It's got 35 gorgeous colors for $16.99. I did get this little baby on sale. I believe I got it for about $12, and right now as I'm filming this video, it does say on the website that there is a 30% discount, so you would get it for $11.89. I haven't tried it out yet, so maybe I shouldn't rave about the price until I try it, use it, and I know it's good. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I zoomed you in so you could see what is going on. Now, since there's not really a transition color in here, I guess you could figure out something, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go into my Morphe 39A palette and just grab one of the lightest transition colors, which is this one right here, just to get a nice base going, because honestly, with bright, colorful, crazy colors like this, you want to be careful, okay? That's just a little tip. So I'm going to take that and just lightly put that in my crease. Just getting things started. On my M513, I'm going to take this light lime kind of green and I'm gonna start putting that in the crease. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but there's definitely pigment. It's very light, but I like that. I like to be able to build up my bright colors rather than have a whole bunch placed down and I'm freaking out because I put too much. I'd rather build up, so I'm liking that. On my MAC 224, I'm gonna take that more neon green and let's see how that disperses over here. Because that first green I put down is looking really yellow and I really wanted it to be green, I don't want yellow yet, not yet. Okay, all right, there we go. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's definitely more green. I'm liking that so far. I don't know if you know the colors of the Brazilian flag, but they are yellow, green, blue, and a little bit of white. So that's kind of what I'm going for here. We'll see, let's keep going. I might do some sort of cut crease, I guess, and do yellow all over my lid and then some blue on the lower lash line, maybe. So I'm gonna take on my M514 that little bit of a darker green and start working that mostly in the crease. And we'll see. Ooh, okay, yeah, that's much better. That is green, and that's what I wanted. Okay, all right. So it's gonna look a little messy at first, but we're working with it. We're working with this. I don't know why I decided to do this, but hey, it's all right. We're gonna just push through it. We're gonna push through it and keep going and just make it work. I think what I want to do right now is cut the crease and start adding some yellow because I'm not sure where I want to go with this green anymore. I don't know, so let's just cut the crease and get moving with that, okay? Okay, so I took my Shape Tape, cut the crease, and now I'm going to take some yellow and just pack that all over it. And hopefully this works. I'm gonna take this bright neon yellow. I mean, it's kind of working, kind of. As far as fallout and stuff like that though, it's really not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye with the cut crease. Let's go ahead and start on the lower lash line. I do want to mention that these shadows, they're pigmented when you're using the right brush, obviously, like a lot of shadows. They're very hard, if that makes any sense. There's definitely a bit of kickback, but nothing too crazy. Kickback doesn't bother me too much as long as there's pigment, which I do feel like there is with these. Not as much as I was hoping, but enough for me to work with and to build up and, you know, make something out of. That's where I'm at with that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lower lash line. I wanna take some blue. I'm gonna take this darker blue right here and just start slowly dragging it along the lower lash line. I don't know where I'm going with this anymore. I'm kind of taking it and winging it out too, like that. I don't know if that's gonna look good in the end, but I don't care. At this point, I don't care. I'm taking a little bit of a lighter blue and putting that more towards the inner corner. And again, with the fallout, there's really not much on my face at all. I am not mad at all. This is fine. I mean, just little bits. Not anything like when I used the Huda Beauty electric palette. The fallout on that was so ridiculous. My face was so blue. Ugh. But with this, it's fine. I'm really actually feeling this right now. I'm really liking it. I am having fun with it. I do think I'm gonna do a winged liner with this look. I feel like with lashes and everything, it'll definitely look cool, but I want a little bit of liner. It needs it, you know, it's a cut crease, it needs that liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, put on my lashes, and then we'll come back for some lipstick. All right, so I am back. I have my lashes on. I did a little bit of glitter in the crease, just a little bit. I didn't go all the way through the crease. And then I also added this little jewel. I just, you know, it's kind of like Brazil Carnival. I'm just feeling this festival type of makeup and I just wanted to have fun with it. So that's what I did. We really need to figure out some lips. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Christmas cookie from Jeffree Star and then I have something to put over top of that. I think that is such a beautiful nude pink. It just works with anything you need it to work with. Something new I'm also going to try for the first time is a lip gloss called Unicorn Snot, and this one is the holographic one, so let's try it out. Let's see. It feels really nice. It smells really weird too, in a good way, I guess, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of holographicness going on the lips. I see a lot of gloss. It's not super sticky either. All right, guys, and this is the completed look. I hope you like it. So what are my final thoughts on this Take Me Back to Brazil palette? I think it's actually a really beautiful palette. I think for the price, you're getting what you paid for, and it's actually pretty good quality. I mean, this is way better than some of the cheap, colorful eyeshadows I've tried from other places, and the pigment is really nice in these. You do have to kind of build them up a little bit. I have the same feeling I had with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. It's almost the same quality. It's a very beautiful color. You just have to build it up to achieve the pigment you want and to achieve the intensity you want, which I personally prefer. I would rather build up than have too much all at once. You know, you gotta work with what you got, and I think that this is a really nice palette. For the price, you really can't beat anything else. If you want me to play around with this some more, let me know in the comments down below. It's beautiful. It's a great palette and I love it. So that's my thoughts on it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And until next time, stay flawless, guys.